Whatever it takes to make it hardcore. That's what you're fighting for. When you ride, the DJ decides to play it on the A side. He gives it a try.